Welcome to the next video in the C tutorials. In this video, we are going to see GOTO statement. Now our topic title is GOTO statement. GOTO statement use like until now we have seen that the execution is starts from this open brush to close brush, and the execution starts linear fashion, means then line by line the compiler start executing the code, or compiler compiles the code line by line linear fashion. Suppose if we use this goto statement, then we can change or we can move the execution to some another portion of the or some another part of the code. You will get clear idea when you see the program. Let us make a simple task to understand this goto statement. For that, I am taking printf statements. Like here, I want to print 1. Let's copy paste this thing. See here, I have taken some printf statements, like I want to print these numbers. Now the compiler going to execute, like first it going to execute this printf statement of 1, then later this 3, 2, 5, 4, like this. So if I run the program, you can check out the output, how the compiler is going to execute. So now I want to print this number in serial manner. For that, I'm using this goto statement. Like after 1, I'm declaring here go to something, I'm taking like a. Then where I want to move the execution, so I want to move to this 2. So here I'm giving a and I'm giving colon. So now the execution part is moving to this 2. So you can see after 1 you will get 2 if I run this. See, but now after 2 I want 3. So here again I am giving go to statement. Go to, you can call something b. Now I am giving the b to here b colon. If I run the program, you can see. Now you can see here, if I run the program, it is printing multiple times, but you can check the order. It is printing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is in serial manner, it is successfully executing. Then after 3, I want to print 4. So after execution of 3, I am giving here code to statement, and I am declaring variable like something C. So after 3, I want to print 4 now. So before the 4, I am giving this C and semicolon. So if I run the program, you can see the order 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 4, again I want to print 5. So here I am giving go to variable e. Where I want to give before the printf statement of 5. So here I am declaring e and colon. After 5, I want to go to the return 0 statement. So here I am giving something, so we can change here name like D. Here also D. Here I am giving E. Go to E. A B C D E. So where I want to move, I want to move to this return 0 statement. Before the return 0, I am placing the E statement. Now if I run the program, you can check the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is successfully executing. So this is how we can change the linear fashion of execution.